Hi, this is Cara Brandon with CaraBrandonCreations, and I have a brand new kit I wanted to show you, which is called Sunflower Soiree. And here it is. There's lots of journal pages and lots of ephemera, so let's take a closer look. So here is Sunflower Soiree. There are 8 journaling pages, so let's take a look at those. The color palette is the sunflower yellow, this green. It's not a grass green, it's a darker green, and then this blue. It's darker than a sky blue, like a Wedgwood blue. And there's lots of script text. Pretty sure most of it's in French, kind of why I went with the soiree with sunflower. And then we have this one. It gives a little bit more of a farmhouse feel with the pinking kind of behind it. Figure 3 and sunflowers. And there's this one with this text, some receipts and ledger. And then some more of the blue with the flowers, and then of course the sunflowers. And here's the blue again, and the green, but this time in paint splatters. And this is my favorite page of the kit. I love this one. I think this one could be used, excuse me, as a cover even. I just love it. There's that one. And there's this one, kind of with a collaged background with the text and the papers. And there's this one. I thought of the Tim Holtz stencils that he came out with when I saw this, and I thought it was a fun background. Here's a collage page that can be used either as a collage page cut apart or also as a journal page. And then we have 3 background pages. There's this one in the blue, and then in green, and then in the sunflower yellow. And then we have this one, which is a fun background. It could also be used to collage, ripped apart, but has the sunflowers with the blue paint splatters. And then we have some green butterflies. Fun pattern, it can go any direction. And then we have it in the blue. And then I wanted to show you, there's 2 ephemera, there's tags, but this time instead of just showing you this way, I wanted to show you what it looks like when it's all cut out. So there's 4 of these, I would say kind of like slanted library pockets where you would glue the sides and then the bottom onto your journal. So there's 4 of those. And then we have some tags. There's 6, there's my favorite, large tags. Make sure I'm in frame with all of these. There's 6 large tags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, got them all. And then I also made a smaller version of the tags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then there's quite a bit of journaling cards, ephemera, all sorts of different bits that you can do different things with. All sorts of fun little pieces. You can use them many different ways, so there's those. And then we have some circles. I didn't cut all the way to the edge. My punch is a bit bigger, but I cut them into circles. I love the crochet. And then we have little bits. We have some labels and then these little guys, almost domino size, but bigger. So there's quite a bit of ephemera, and I'm also gonna do, for my Freebie Friday, probably some ephemera that matches this kit. Just kind of as a as a sneak peek, or not really a peek because I haven't shown you, but just to let you know. But that's what I'm kind of thinking. So yeah, there's quite a few. There's 21 total pages, 21 total pages in the kit. So you get a lot. And I will be doing 40% off the kit for the first, I think it's 4 days that I have it on sale for. So grab your kit when it's on sale, and I can't wait to see what you make. If you wanted to see my recent video, click right there. If you wanted to check out a different video, click right there. I'll see you over there.